Welcome back to the channel, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Nissan Z, a modern-day sports car that beautifully blends heritage with high performance. Whether you're a die-hard Z fan or just exploring your next adrenaline fix, this review has everything you need to know about the latest iteration of Nissan's iconic coupe. Under the hood, the 2025 Nissan Z boasts a formidable 3.0-liter, twin-turbocharged V6 engine. This powerhouse delivers 400 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque in the sport and performance trims. For those craving even more, the Nismo variant ups the ante with 420 horsepower and 384 pound-feet of torque, thanks to specialized tuning and enhanced components. Transmission choices cater to both purists and modern drivers. A 6-speed manual transmission offers a direct, engaging experience, complete with features like launch control and no-lift shift. Alternatively, a 9-speed automatic transmission provides smooth, rapid shifts, also equipped with launch control for consistent acceleration. Performance-wise, the Z doesn't disappoint. The manual-equipped performance trim accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4.5 seconds. Opting for the automatic transmission shaves this down to 4.3 seconds. The Nismo variant, with its enhanced power, achieves a blistering 3.9-second sprint to 60 miles per hour. Fuel efficiency remains respectable for a sports car. The automatic transmission variant achieves an EPA-estimated 19 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. The manual version sees slightly lower figures with 18 miles per gallon city and 24 miles per gallon highway. The Nismo, despite its increased performance, maintains similar efficiency levels. Design-wise, the 2025 Z pays homage to its lineage while embracing modern aesthetics. The exterior features a long hood with the signature Z bulge, reminiscent of the original models. The front grille and headlamp designs draw inspiration from the 240ZG, while the rear showcases taillights influenced by the 300ZX. New color options, including the striking Bayside blue and two-tone schemes like pearl white tri-coat with a super black roof, add contemporary flair. Inside, the driver-focused cockpit combines classic elements with modern technology. A 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster provides customizable displays, while the infotainment system offers either an 8-inch or 9-inch touchscreen, depending on the trim. Connectivity features include wireless Apple CarPlay, wired Android Auto, and an available Wi-Fi hotspot. The Nismo trim enhances the interior with Recaro seats, Alcantara accents, and a sportier ambiance. Safety and driver assistance features are comprehensive. Standard offerings include automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. These systems ensure that the Z remains as safe as it is thrilling. Pricing for the 2025 Nissan Z starts at $42,970 for the base sport trim. The performance trim, which adds features like a limited slip differential, upgraded brakes, and 19-inch wheels, begins at $52,970. The top-tier Nismo variant, with its track-focused enhancements, starts at $65,750. In summary, the 2025 Nissan Z masterfully balances tradition and innovation. It delivers exhilarating performance, cutting-edge technology, and a design that honors its storied past. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or making a statement in the city, the new Z is poised to impress. Thanks for tuning in to our in-depth review of the 2025 Nissan Z. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive insights. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about the latest Z? Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.